In the heart of our solar system, there is a lurking threat. When it bursts, it will end all life on Earth. This threat is our sun. Like all the stars in the universe, it too has an expiration date. Approximately 5 billion years in the future, it will expand, turning into a red giant, annihilating everything in its vicinity. Imagine the effect. And that's just the beginning. Continuously small asteroids impact Earth. But every few million years, a huge asteroid hits, potentially wiping out life. Just like what happened to the dinosaurs. Imagine this time that the victim would be us, the entire human race. The Earth's core is burning, with temperatures comparable to those of the sun. But it is gradually losing its intense heat. When the core cools, it will cease to produce Earth's magnetic field. Without the magnetosphere, nothing will shield us from deadly space radiation. Without it, the atmosphere might escape, making Earth resemble Mars. Imagine if the Moon were to leave its orbit and crash into Earth. It would cause catastrophic earthquakes. Lunar gravity would deform and internally heat Earth, causing massive volcanic eruptions. And that's not all. Huge waves could wash away the coasts. These disasters would continue until the Moon reached the Roche limit. It would fragment, creating an impressive ring around our now lifeless planet. Another apocalyptic event might stem from a massive solar explosion, an eruption so powerful it would hit Earth's atmosphere, damaging satellites and electronics. After about 12 hours, a wave of fiery plasma would unleash a geomagnetic storm, causing a global blackout. Without power, our civilization would be brought to its knees. Over time, Earth is losing its atmosphere to space. Without breathable air, human survival would be impossible. In a world without atmosphere, the seas would begin to evaporate, and oxygen would be dispersed into space. Life in a vacuum does not thrive. Then consider Jupiter, composed of the same elements as the Sun. If it could initiate a fusion reaction, we would be in grave danger. A Jupiter turned into a star could cause chaos in the solar system, with asteroids and planets colliding. Its gravity could draw us in or expel us into interstellar space. Then there are magnetars, the most potent rotating magnets in the universe. If one of these entered our solar system, its immense gravitational field would wreak havoc. But the real threat is starquakes, which release huge amounts of radiation, destroying the ozone and ravaging Earth's surface. And what about extraterrestrial visitors? If they were hostile, they would surely have weapons more advanced than ours. But even if they were friendly, they might carry pathogens to which we are not immune. Reflect also on black holes, massive and perilous. If Earth were to be swallowed, it would be stretched and crushed into their core, mixing with its destroyer. Finally, consider the gamma ray burst, the most violent phenomenon in the universe. A direct hit would incinerate Earth, destroying the ozone and irradiating everything. This scenario is certainly one of the most terrifying in the list of events that could put an end to the world.